Good morning, student. I am warm welcome for this semester. So, because of coronavirus, so we are meeting and we are going to be discuss by online mode. And so, I am once again welcome for fifth semester. For this semester, I am going to be handle the paper of marketing management as well as personality development. First, I would like to go for marketing management. So, marketing. So, we are going to be take a class for marketing management. Under that, we are going to be go to give a introduction. So, before giving about the market or marketing management, you must know about other kind of department functioning in the organization. In generally, the organization functioning different department, namely production, finance, human resources, marketing, and the research. So all is very important, as well as what we are going to be looking into the marketing, it is also very important. So from that, we are going to be discussing about the marketing. So before going to be discuss the marketing, so you must know about what is market. In general terms, market it is a place where buyers and seller gather, enter into transaction involving transfer of ownership of goods and services, which means we are going to be buy something from the market, for we given the money and we receive the goods or services. Here the ownership is going to be exchanged, and the marketing means in general it can be expressed as the achievement of corporate goals through meeting and exceeding customer needs better than the competition, which means the main aim of marketing department is to as the point of organization to achieving the goal of their organization, which means the profit. How it can be possible? The possible of meeting profit means the company has to be ensuring and given customer satisfaction while the customer using the product of the organization. Ultimately, the customer getting satisfaction of the product by using that. So then the organization getting their goal as a profit. So this is called as a marketing. So now let us discussing about the nature of marketing. So in that nature we have different kind of types, different kind of nature is there. So under first one is human activity, which means market it is fully related to the individual, customer or consumer. So we can say this is as a nature of marketing. Second, consumer oriented. So this is also without having consumer or customer, no market no market can function. So we can say the nature of marketing as a consumer oriented. Art as well as science. If functioning in the marketing, it need arts as well as the science. Arts means satisfaction, feelings and wants, etc. of the customers. Science means how it can be achieved by the organization. For that, the company has to be do some analytical tools and research and information technology. So these are the things is going to be doing for the purpose of achieving profit, and it is also helpful to the customer to getting a satisfaction of the product and fulfilling the demand and demand. So it can say as a art as well as science. Exchanging process, so we well known, market purely exchange the product or services to the customer on money. Start and end with the customer mean it starts with marketing starts with customer needs and wants, it ends with customer satisfaction. So this is a very important thing, so that starts and ends with the customers. This is a nature of marketing. Creation of utilities, so the marketing, it is always creating place, time and a possession utilities. Place means the product has to be moved from manufacture to the customers. The second, time means it should be reached on time. Third one is possession, means the ownership, it is going to be possession from the buyer to the seller to buyer. Then goal oriented, as the point of organization need to attain the profit. In the point of customer, they need to get a satisfaction. So the goal, it is common for all things. So it is as a nature of marketing. Guidance, guiding to the elements of business. The element of business means land, labor, capital and organization. So both is guiding, because the marketing guiding the all the elements of business, which is both are interrelated. So it is saying as a nature of marketing. Marketing, it is a dynamic process, which means consumer needs and wants, it is going to be continuously running. So based on that, the manufacturing process is going to be continuously running by the organization. So once the fulfilling the demand and the demand of the need and wants of the customers, so it is next it is going to be automatically created the another need and demand. So it is continuously processing, so that the marketing, it is as a dynamic process as a nature. So for five with I am going to be conclude. So in that class we have discussed about the market and marketing and the nature of marketing. I think you listen the video. If you have any query, you just let me know. So from that I am going to be finishing the lesson. So thank you so much to the students. Thank you.